Oh man.
Everything's heavy. Oh shit, it's all rusty.
Yeah. And you can see that it's all rust. Well, I would say that's a reason for it not spinning. It's pretty gross. I don't think it's very easy. There we go. See that? Look at that, it's an apex seal.
Top hook.
Oh yeah. Nice, there you go.
There you go. There you go. Easy, easy, easy.
Nice. There, that's how much bigger a 13B is compared to a 12A. Chroming is really bad. The chroming's gone on the side. Here's your plates. At least these look good. Alright guys, now that the motor's disassembled, I want you guys to figure out how much I paid for this. The person who gets it right, I will say you're right. I don't know.